Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can manage who can invite you to Instagram groups. So if you guys didn't know, nowadays we can create a group on Instagram that you can chat with in the DMs. But you can also change the setting on the people that can invite you to groups. So if you want to do that, just go to your profile first and click on the three lines icon at the top and go to the Instagram settings. And in here, you need to go to the privacy settings and then scroll down until you find the option messages. So click on that, and in here at the bottom you can see there's a group chat section, and in here you can manage who can add you to in the Instagram groups. So click on this option, and now on my Instagram the current setting is everyone on Instagram can add my account to an Instagram group. But if you want to change it, you can change it into only the people that you follow on Instagram can add you to Instagram group. And after that, just click on this circle until it turns to blue, and just like that, you already changed the settings on who can invite you to Instagram group. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.